You went all the way up there.
We're in Guangzhou and it's hot, that's why I'm sweating. Right. It's like the sun's okay, I don't know whether to get a brolly or not. I'm going to need one, Let's get in 7-Eleven. That's alright. It always tastes warmer when it's in a plastic bottle, doesn't it? Could get a bike, couldn't I? Shall I get a bike? Oh yeah, let's get a little takeaway bike. I need to see if this seat goes any higher. No, it's already got 10-inch. Oh, we're off. Well, don't say I don't treat you too much. A bike ride around Guangzhou. It's everything you've ever dreamed of, innit? At least we'll be able to go see more things now, one-time restriction. Where are we and where are we going then? Well, we're at the, this is the East train station. I need to head south, but which way is south? I think it's that way, isn't it? There's that many roads here that I can't even work it out. Just start driving, we'll end up somewhere, won't we? It feels a bit like Mary Poppins when you're on one of these bikes, you know, because it's not like my mountain bike, which is like brutal. You feel like a flower. Flower. We can't do non-handed, so it's like, it's painful. Yeah, maybe it's the umbrella that gives it that Mary Poppins vibe. I love to do non-handed though, because you can do other things. It's like you can multitask. Take photos and also live the dream. This guy's broken down. You'll be able to see him if you want for umbrella. Oh, that's something you don't see in Nantou. People with sticks and bags. There's room for two here. It's got that Shenzhen vibe, hasn't it? Feels like Hong Kong. That's probably because we're only like 100 kilometres away. Do you know what day it is today? In terms of how the hell all these videos get edited and when it's released or what? I bet it's somewhere in like October or summer. It's my last day in China. So it's the last day I got to enjoy the restrictions of the Chinese pandemic. I tell you something, it's just too much, and that's why I need a breather. And just going around, it's rotted my brain. Like, I love to be happy, and if you're not happy, then like, I absolutely love it here, but I just can't go on like this. It's just too much. Found a diabetes food shop. Seems it didn't go very well. Hiya, you alright? That's the IFC tower up there. It's been climbed by me previously, so we don't have to climb it today. I wonder if I can find any photos of when I climbed it. I've just wasted loads of time looking for photos. Anyway, there's a few of me stood down at the bottom. This isn't the time that I remembered that we went up the top. How were we loads of foreigners? We went on this trip from Shenzhen to Guangzhou, but this was the first time I ever came to Guangzhou. And I was just walking around, so I didn't go up this time. I took a photo. That building on right will be finished now. This is 2014, and this is Ken on that day that I surprised him as Pete Bez. I had loads of fun going through photos. This channel's going to eventually turn into just me reminiscing about Minwoo. I can't wait to tell you about Minwoo. You want to have a sneaky peek at what he looks like? There you go. Minwoo, look at him. It sits like directly opposite the Canton Tower. It lights up like a rainbow at night, doesn't it? I'm coming to Seat River. I just want a Seat River, a bit of water. These are all shopping malls around here. There's not much to see. Leisure time. Oh, it's there, his tower. No bikes. The journey has to stop. It knows where you park, you know. So if you try to park in a bit that's like it knows, from that bit there to that bit there, it's able to detect. And you're not allowed to park in there or you get fined think up to £5. I think it'll come to... Oh, there's loads of foreigners around here. There's another one there. It's like White City. Oh, look at that in Canton. Scan that baby. 39 minutes. Oh, we had a good cycle then, didn't we? Yeah, come on then. Oh, you have to do some unlock here. Oh, right. Oh, I see. Oh, it's automatic. 25p for 40 minutes of fun. Can't beat that, can you? Hiya! Look at these nice trees and the Canton Tower. I've never been up it. Should that be something I do today? Yeah. Oh, let's go up it then. Oh, we have to get to the other side of the river. If we get to that side, maybe. I'll maybe treat you. Need a wee, that's on the list. It's a little handy tool for picking all these little seeds up. This stadium's just next to the river. They've done horse shows or something there. It's something to do with an Olympics that happened. Or Asian Games. That's why it was built. It's been here the first time I came, so it were here like 9 years ago. They must be selling carpets. It's got carpet samples on the back. This guy's just going around doing a tour out of a taxi. 你们也要去那个茶是吧？
不是，我们想拍一个节目。
哦，拍节目。我要去看那个茶，你要不要送我到那边去？
可能会有点绕路。
好的，那我打车吧。
好，抱歉。
Oh, he's got his dungarees on. Nice. My guy in see you now anyway. 你好。We don't have long, you know. 就卖一个这个300，那个28。哦。Haley Huang, good name. Oh, it's outside. It could have gone on bubble car. It's not working today. And they're down there fixing it. It actually feels like you're flying. Wow. You can't see properly because of this thing. Let's get up here. It was like a church. You can't get right to edge here, can you? You're not going to be able to see much until you get to the other bit. Oh, here you go. This is the view bit then. Oh my god. It's reminding me of that time that I went to Guangzhou. That tower were amazing. A little more fun than this. Just look at that building down there. That's like massive. We're almost bird's eye view of it. It's mad. That feels weird, that view there. Imagine building this. It's crazy. Look how massive Guangzhou is though. How many millions of people there is. That island in the middle of the river is where all rich people live in Guangzhou. Well, not all of them, but there's some nice houses on there. Have we got enough time to go and see that traditional bridge? Potentially. It'll be a rush job though. You're not allowed in this bit here because of pandemic. Like, there's only me. There's literally only me here. Me and this guy. Oh yeah. Guess again, you're not allowed to go look around. You're not allowed on lower floors. You have to pay for a ticket to go to the top floor. I mean, it's outside, but still, we have to spend the time inside to get outside. Oh, it's too much, and that's why. It's that kind of logic that just throws you off. Oh, this emergency thing looks quite fun. Plenty of water. But not enough masks. Oh, are they wet wipes in an emergency?
牛津大学。
牛津大学，你知道吗？它是就是 Oxford 的意思牛津大学。
牛津大学，剑桥大学。
Yeah, I don't know how to explain it to you, but I've been in China all these years, and I've just realised why they called it 牛津大学，对吧？
对，牛津大学。
you say you're from England, they love telling you all universities, Oxford and Cambridge. But I've never realised, like, because when they say, like, York, it sounds like York, like York, it sounds like York. But this Nyojin, I didn't understand what they were saying it for. Anyway, yeah, it's because they're saying Calford, yeah.
牛津大学特别出名，
特别
出名
啊！
牛津大学、剑桥都特别出名。
都是我们最好的那个大学，对吧？在
世界上的那种，
世界上也排得蛮好的。
对。
We're off on another bike. It's the final adventure. Oh, my passport's slipping out of its little pocket there. Make sure that doesn't fall out. Found a little cheeky market. I might have been to this one before. Oh yes, Bryn, you'll want to see the... how nice that is. If I don't get some of this, it'll be the biggest mistake of my life. 你好，想买一点点好吧？ That's just perfect. 14块。好了。 That's so fit. Got some meat. Need to get some bananas. 5块4毛。5块4。好了，谢谢。买了这个3个吧。5块6。好。Got a bit of meat, a bit of veg, and some fruit. 还行啊。好了，好了，再见啊。 Where's this old bridge? I'm confused now. So we were just at top of that tower up there, weren't we? Now we've come down here to the seafront. I thought that bridge was a special bridge, but it's not. We'll go down a little bit more and have a look. And here it is, the first and original bridge in Guangzhou. You might think, what's so special about this bridge? Well, I'm asking myself the same question now that I've travelled down here to see it. It's on most at posters, and it was the first bridge that they built, so I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Are we doing bridge rating now? I don't think that's the thing, is it? Well, I've had a fun day in Guangzhou. It's nice to come and see it. It's been a fitting end, actually, for time in China. But don't worry, because I've still got some videos that I haven't edited. So the China dream can live on forever. And I'll be back. Remember what I told you. Oh, it was second tallest tower in the world. I didn't realise until now when I'm just making thumbnail for the video. Anyway, I hope you had a good time. Do you want some stats on tallest towers? Yeah, let's just do a little bit of stats. So, Canton Tower, 604 metres. Tokyo Skytree is bigger than that, 634 metres. Before Tokyo Skytree, Canton Tower was tallest tower in the world. Oh, I didn't know. I've been up the old tallest tower in the world. Yeah, from 2009 to 2011. It was very high. Well, you saw from video, didn't you? Right, I'm off. See ya. Bye.